Hey y'all, Laylee here. I forgot to record an intro this week, so just gonna start with this video of us scraping this bay of windows. This week it was more paint scraping. We did start working a little bit on some windows and doing the trim on the inside of the windows. But yeah, it's just slow, tedious work, and I'm ready for it to be over. But I will show you what videos I did take, and hope you like it. Sorry, it's going to be a short one this week. Well, hello there. It's me, the world's worst YouTuber, because I forget to record anything. So the last...
Did you push the record button?
Oh no. Yes, I did record. So for those last week, we've been working on windows. During the day, we've been working outside, and at night, when it gets dark, we've been working inside. I did remember to record Daryl planing these trim boards. And this is not permanent. We still have to take all the window panes out in order to reglaze the panes. But Daryl had the genius idea of getting a planer, because this would have took me forever with a stripper and a sander. And he did all of this in one afternoon. Now there are some spots you can get with the planer, like this part right here on the window, and then the little trim up next to the pane. So I'm trying out a couple strippers to see which works best. On this spot up here, I've got some citrus strip, and then down here on this trim piece that he couldn't get through the planer, I've got clean stripper, which is a thinner, so it's a little messier to deal with, but so we're going to try that and see which works better. Well, I'm really thrilled with the work the planer did and how it made quick work of it, because this would have been, what do you think, Daryl, a week?
Oh my goodness, if we'd have had this
Or longer?
Yeah. I cannot imagine how long that would have taken.
It is true, it was a little easier than outside, because outside we had at least 3 colors of paint, whereas inside it was just 2 and then a stain.
However,
So,
I also did that outside.
oh, he also did the outside of some of the pieces, like these flat wide pieces, which he could do, but I still have to, the decorative trim pieces, I'm still having to do with a heat gun. The goal is to get the exterior, to get the exterior downstairs windows done this week. However, I lost the day today because I went to lunch. But now, since it's dark, I'm going to work on the inside and see how that stripper does. So, anyway, I don't know if I'll record while I'm doing that because it'll be kind of boring. But Daryl is currently working on taking apart this other set of windows. And we are currently inside what is the dining room. I know I haven't done an inside tour, but this is the dining room. So he's going to take these apart so that we can run them through the planer. And then we've got to replace the cords on the weights, reglaze the glass, repoint it, and put some weather stripping in there and get it good to go. So far, so good. We'll see how things go.